How to link Google Play in eFootball. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can link Google Play in eFootball. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to link the Google Play in eFootball, first of all, open the eFootball application after it is downloaded onto your device, and you just need to head over to the extract sections. And when you head over to the extract sections, you can see support option. Just tap on it. There are a bunch of options. Just tap on the support one, and when you tap on support, you can see link data option on the very first. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just tap on OK, and you can see link using Google Play. Just tap on it and tap on OK. After that, go on with the process of linking your Google Play, and your Google Play should be linked in your eFootball. So therefore, just follow that method in order to link Google Play as I did, and you should be able to do it very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.